My family and I have come down here to the Sunriver Resort, just south of Bend, to ride their bike trail system. I've heard a lot of good things about it.
My daughter is directly in front of me.
I don't know how they got up there. Not like there was any way. Probably a ladder. Sorry, white turn. Probably a ladder. It's like the only thing that makes sense. A ladder. Do it this way. Yeah, they had to put a ladder up against it to get hoist and tables and
Hey, hey. This is a popular biking place.
My daughter and son-in-law have switched off bikes because it's just been too hard for my daughter to tow my granddaughter in that burly wagon, and especially in the heat.
Five. Go to five. We're on the path right now to head out to the Deschutes River. These paths in Sunriver go every which way, so it's certainly not a lot of fast riding because you constantly have to slow down to see where you're at, check the map. There's a lot to do around here in Sunriver. We've got pools and water parks. So we're thinking about maybe next year coming here and maybe staying at the resort because we can tube on the river, we can paddle on the river. Here's the Deschutes River. We're going to stop here.
I bring them to you. No. Do you want Powerade? No. Can mommy have a little bit? Wait, can I have the fishing clip?
A lot of tubers go down this stretch of the river here. Nice view of the Deschutes River again. So we're getting ready to enter the Sun Lava Trail to Benham Falls. We're basically leaving the Sunriver Resort now. Okay, we're close to Benham Falls. Crossing over the Deschutes River here. I'm up here now at Benham Falls. We had to stop at the bridge and lock our bikes up because we don't have bikes that can go up the dirt trail. It's a half-mile hike from the bridge up here to the overlook. Heading back into Sun River, I wanted to go up to Lava Lands, but it's 99 degrees out here, and this sun is just sucking all the energy out of me, and it sucked all the energy out of my family. So they're going one way, and I'm going another way because I want to get a little bit more riding in. But yeah, it's warm today, and that's an understatement. I'm on Trail 9 right now, heading to the North Store. On trail number 10. Now I'm on 6. Gonna head back to Deschutes River to join up with my daughter and son-in-law. One of the many golf courses here at Sunriver. Now turned on to 7. I'm back on trail number 6. I just came across a doe right next to the trail. She just kind of popped out of nowhere. So, but thought about going back in and videoing her. But the poor deer was so emaciated. Her ribs were sticking through her skin. She was eating. I didn't want to stress her, so I just continued on with my ride. On the river loop again, only this time coming from a different direction. Starting to get some clouds. I'm worried we might wind up with some heat lightning tonight. That would not be good. There's enough wildfires going on around here. I'm passing by Aspen Lake, and there was a nasty smell there, but I'm right now heading back to my truck because the heat has caused my daughter to have heat exhaustion. Pretty awesome pool. A lot of people in that pool.